Oh boy. Where's the cookie? Oh, you got such pretty babies. Yes. Yes. Tessie's happy with her 10. And we have, what, 6 boys and 4 girls? They're beautiful. Yes, and you've done such a wonderful job. Yes. Can we get close in and see? Okay, you're lifting your leg up so we can see them. What a good girl. Gonna lift that leg up so we can see everybody? Oh, yeah. Everybody's so pretty. Can we look at this guy? Oh, look at this guy. Say, oh, look. Say hi for the camera. Yeah, say hi. Oh, and Tessie loves her baby. She's a really nice mommy. Yes. Good job. Good job. What a pretty girl. Yes, you are. You're such a good, sweet girl. Well, everyone, this is our test litter. Born last night, December 2nd. And everybody's doing really well. Okay, we'll take more pictures at another time. Okay, good girl. Say bye. Bye. And say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, bye-bye. Good girl.